Our friend Tommy Mack inspired us to do a MATCHFIT table for the mortising machine. This is on a Powermatic floor model, but the basic design should work on pretty much any machine. The base and fence are laminated from 2 pieces of Baltic birch plywood. The relief bit is set up in the router table and the slots pre-cut. These are centered on the board, but still using the standard spacing of 4 inches on center. This one is getting a center groove, but this is optional. Not every router table can reach this far into the middle of a panel. With the relief grooves cut, the dovetail tracks can be milled next. With a little care, it's not hard to line up the dovetail cut to match the relief groove. The fence is easier, with just 1 slot running end to end. Just be sure that your dovetail track doesn't interfere with the fastening system for mounting the fence to the mortising machine. Mounting holes are drilled in both the base and the fence to match those that are on your particular machine. Here we're counterboring with a 1/2 inch bit and drilling the rest of the way through with a 1/4. In use, the part is secured to the table using the dovetail clamps. For this angled mortise, we've got clamps in both the table and in the fence, but normally it would just be the table. Clamps in the vertical position will prevent the stock from being lifted as the mortising chisel is withdrawn. The dovetail track in the fence allows for a clamp to be used there, but also a shop-made stop. But none of this interferes with using the factory stop if that's what's needed. The MATCHFIT system may turn out to be a big improvement for your mortising machine.